Sir, I come from a chili growing constituency of Narsaropet, where prices of
नाम डिलीट हो
chili
जाएंगे,
oscillate every year.
नाम
the-
डिलीट होंगे।
Farmers are not able to cover the cost.
नहीं,
Main
बहुत
issue
समय।
our chili farmers
हो गया,
face
हो गया, please।
are long supply chains, middlemen and traders.
केवल लबू
We welcome this bill.
श्री कृष्ण का रिकॉर्ड
We
में
welcome
जाएगा।
the Farmers Producers
Please,
Trade
no।
and Commerce
अब
Bill
शुरू करें।
with the
आप
three
बोलिए,
beliefs.
स्टार्ट कीजिए
One
आप।
being
आप प्लीज
the
बैठ जाइए।
gains from this condensed supply chain will be passed on to the farmer and the consumer, sir. Market forces will take effect and help in better transmission of market prices to the farmer,
लाओ श्री
as was
कृष्णा।
recommended by the
हाँ बोलिए बोलिए लाओ श्री कृष्णा।
as was recommended by the Dalwai Committee report, sir. Third being
Abhi
increased
wait,
investment
Vyasta
in
ji.
marketing infrastructure, creation of electronic platforms, and increased exports will benefit the farmer, sir. But government should need to ensure that the monopolistic tendencies are avoided in
क्या है?
Sir, the farmers, producers, trade and commerce bill, we support it, sir. But we want to make sure that the government needs to ensure that the
नो नो ये
monopolistic
विषय आपका नहीं है। नो
tendencies-
ले ले नो 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 यस नो 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 प्लीज नो 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 डिबेट लाओ कृष्णा चले
Sir, YSR Congress Party, we support the farmers, produce, trade and commerce bill, sir. But we want that the government needs to ensure that the monopolistic tendencies are avoided in the farming marketing, sir. And the next, second point being, the government needs to also ensure that the states are compensated for the loss in APMC markets, sir. Andhra Pradesh has been suffering for long because of revenue deficit and GST non-payment, sir. We need these funds to develop market ads and the allied infrastructure. And coming to the farmers' agreement on price assurance and farm services ordinance, sir. This bill will achieve the goal by creating a uniform regulatory regime on the contract farming. I have seen the benefits myself in Guntur district, sir, where ITC is doing hand-holding of farmers to the tune of 2,000 acres. It has, the benefits that we have seen was the produce is of the export standard. Second, there was a less utilization of fertilizers, there's the input costs were less, and the better prices were given to the farmers, sir, because the ITC was hand-holding the farmers. This is the benefit we have seen with the farmers in Guntur district. In ITC's case, farmers have benefited, but the government must ensure during the implementation of this bill that the balance does not tilt away from the farmers, sir. The government should consider the following points for the successful implementation. First, the bill provides for the price to be specified in the contract but does not guarantee MSP. The government needs to ensure that the farmers get adequate price and income for the investments, sir, as per the Swaminathan Committee recommendation. Second, there should be a balance in food production between local needs and market needs. Just 1 minute, sir. There's a case of shrimp farming in Andhra Pradesh where farmers started farming shrimps for the export even though local demand is very limited, sir. Third, dispute resolution in this case will be done by divisional magistrate. The government needs to undertake capacity building of these bureaucrats so that
माननीय
the
सदस्यगण,
farmer interest is balanced with the corporate interest, sir. With this, we welcome this bill and hope the government will take,
प्लीज कंक्लूड प्लीज
will take note of these suggestions for the successful implementation. Thank you, sir.